Hi everybody, it's Michael Harbridge, and I want to invite you to my next webinar where we're going to be doing clay weaving. We're going to be working with clay, making these different types of shapes and bowls. We'll talk about low fire clay, mid-range, high fire. We'll talk about firing procedures, how to build these, how to make things like the leaves and the berries, all the different types of colors. I've got this bowl. Isn't this one cool? This is ceramic, but I used a glaze on it that makes it look like metal. We'll cover that. We're going to talk about making the coils by hand. We'll talk about using hand extruders, advantages to using these, and we'll be doing all of this on these different types of forms up here. And these are all bisque bowls and shapes that I've collected over the years. We're also going to talk about these cool flowers that I got hanging on the wall back here. I can see these as wall art. I can also see these with stakes out in the garden in the summertime. So make sure that you join us. If you can't make it to the live show, which is on January 22nd at 8 p.m., register anyway, because when you register, you get the recording and the written technique sheet as well. So if you make it for the live show, advantages is you can ask questions while I show this step by step. If you can't make it, you get that recording you can access anytime, day or night. You can pause, rewind, fast forward, use it for training staff, use it for workshops with customers. You've always got access to that. My information is also on the written technique sheet that you can contact me if you have questions after you watch that recording. So make sure that you register before January 22nd. I look forward to seeing you then and showing you some great techniques.